Hello guys, welcome to Zussiemakesit. Bienvenidos a Zussiemakesit. In this episode of DIY useful tips, we're gonna tackle the very horrible situation where your spray can is not spraying, it's stuck, and you don't know what to do. You already did everything that they've told you. Poke the spray nozzle right here with a needle. You already tapped it, and I am not going to be pumping air into this thing, but I will be showing you something that I found that is relatively easy, and you might find it super useful, and I hope that you do. So right here I am doing a little refresh for my garden, and as you can see I have this paint can that's been sitting in my storage for the longest time. I don't even recall buying this, but lo and behold, we have some red to paint, and the bird is agreeing with me. And here is what happened. This was, you pump it and it would not come out with the spray. So initially I shook it and everything that you need to do, shake it well, and it kind of sprayed, but then it stopped. So I went in the internet and got my little nozzle here put into paint thinner, but I don't see anything happening, and I was desperate and I wanted to do the project right away. I'm not very patient, so I decided to check a little bit further, and upon checking, they told me on the internet, they said to try out the can to see if it was the can or if it was the nozzle. So put on some gloves because this is gonna get a little bit splashy here. And so the very first thing that you need to do before anything else is just shake your can, and then right here you're going to use the gloves like I'm showing you, and you're going to push down the little tip right here. So because it's kind of hard to do, I grabbed a nail, and then right here you're gonna push in the nail in, and then spray it away from you. And you see how it is coming out? That means, and I didn't do it with my hand because it doesn't, I guess I don't have the strength, but with the nail you're able to push into this part here, and then the spray will come out, and you can see that the nail has been sprayed here. You see that? That means that the spray can itself is good. So all we need to do, don't bother putting this in acetone or in paint thinner because it's gonna take hours, and don't pump any air into this, that might be dangerous, and don't do all the other things that they tell you to do. All you have to do is go get another spray can that has a good sprayer and just switch it for the one that is bad. So instead of this one, I had one that I had just finished that was white, and so I just decided to go get the spray can from the trash, take out this nozzle, and then you have a good one. You don't have to stress out. All you have to check is to see if the spray can itself is good, and once you determine that, go get a good spray nozzle from another can. You can wash it later, put it in acetone and in paint thinner if you want later to put it back into the other spray can, and then you'll be good to go. By the way guys, if you liked this video and it was helpful to you, go ahead and please give it a like, and also subscribe and put your bell notifications on for more videos like this. Okay, one more thing, make sure that when you're done with using your can, you're gonna clean it nice and well, and just check, take off the nozzle and check that it's not like, might be clogging here, and then that this is not clogged either. Give it a good clean so that it's nice and not obstructed. And then put it back on, put on the cap, and you're all set. So I hope this helps you guys. Happy spraying, and God bless you. We'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna continue with my project. So happy.